To enable or disable Bitmoji Keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open Settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find General Management, and then tap General Management. Select Keyboard List and Default, and then tap Bitmoji Keyboard switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until black to disable. If you enable, you can see Bitmoji Keyboard in input method. Bitmoji Keyboard. And if disable, you cannot see Bitmoji Keyboard in input method. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.